Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your customizable font on Canva app. Very easy guys, very simple. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go back on your previous post or previous projects that you work on. Our example, we recently worked on this logo over here. So we're going to use this as an example. If you currently are stuck in the project and waiting for this new feature, you can sit and wait on this particular project and you're going to have the chance to implement this. So first thing, you want to click on the actual text that you want to change, and then you want to click on the fonts underneath. When you click on the fonts, you want to scroll down and you will find a special section that is called brand kit. When you click on brand kit, you will be able to add not only your custom font over here. Do you see the plus sign? Yes, you can include your customized logo, you can include your customized colors. Okay, and when you add each of these, you will be able to name them, you'll be able to give them a number, a heading, like a serial number. So then if you wanted to use them for other project, you know exactly where to find them, because you put them as a certain number, you put them as a serial code that gives them very different meaning on your app, so you will be able to utilize them in different projects as well. But this is how you come over here, you hit the plus sign on each of these, the font, the color, the logo, and you start operating with them. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.